Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today for another video. For today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing review for you guys. It's for a hair company called Glam Exten collection, and I'm going to be reviewing one of their wigs for you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing the wig and how I'm going to style it, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. So first, just want to show you guys the cute bag that my wig came in. My favorite color is pink, so I'm definitely going to keep this bag and use it. So yeah, that's what the wig came in, and it just has the company logo on the front. It has drawstrings on it. They also sent me edge control, and they sent me a lace glue. So this is the edge control, and this is what that looks like. And it says this is 2.82 ounces, so there's a good bit of edge control in there. It's about the average size of what an edge control would be. And then just some lace glue. And I've actually never used lace glue before. I always just use Got to Be Glued for my wigs when I apply them, so this should be very interesting. And it comes with directions on it too, and you get 1.34 ounces of lace glue in the bottle. We're gonna go ahead and open up the wig. Alright, so this is the wig, and you can't even see all of it in the frame, but it's 36 inches long. I like long hair. I love long hair, but I've never had anything quite this long, but I'm super excited for it. I've already brushed this wig and just like kind of ran my fingers through it just to see if I like, you know, the way the wig feels, and so far it feels pretty good, and there wasn't any shedding or anything like that. It feels really nice. It's nice and full. And the great thing about this wig is that it's already been customized for me, so I don't have to go in and pluck the frontal or anything like that. All of that was already taken care of for me before they sent me the wig, so I'm really grateful for that, because I honestly don't even know how to do that. I'm still pretty new to wigs. You know, I can do the basics such as putting them on, but bleaching knots, plucking frontals, all that extra stuff, I don't know how to do that just yet. So I'm thankful that the company already has someone on staff that can customize your wig for you. And then this is just what the inside of the wig looks like. And it has clips and adjustable straps installed in the back of it as well, so that way, you know, if I need to adjust the straps and make it a little bit tighter around my head, I can do that. So, and it also has the lace in the back of the wig too, so if I wanted to pull it up in a ponytail, I could do that as well. This is mainly going to be a review, so I'm not going to go into detail on how I apply the wig. Like, this isn't going to be like an instructional video or anything like that. Alright guys, I'm back. So I did stand my camera up so that you guys can see how long the hair is. So I'm 5'2" and this is 36 inches. So on me, the hair stops like, you can't even see, like down my hip. It's really long. I did just put a little bit of a curl in the hair, and it is so beautiful. My fingers don't get caught when I run my hands through the hair. It was really easy to work with. It was super easy to curl. Like, I put my curler wand on the hair, even with it being this long, about 8 seconds, and I had a nice fluffy curl. So overall, I love it. Applying it was pretty easy. And this is what the back looks like. It's really long and nice and flowy. It's super beautiful. I did use the glue that came with the wig to apply the lace down, and I usually use the Got To Be Glue gel to apply my wigs, and the glue that came with this wig was way better than the Got To Be Glue, and it dried super quick as well. One of the issues that I have with using the Got To Be Glued is that it gets very slimy and sticky, and it takes a while to dry. Sometimes I have to tie my hair down for about 30 to 45 minutes just for me to be comfortable that my lace isn't gonna come up as soon as I comb it or brush it. So I really love the glue. And then the edge control was great as well. It laid down the edges on the wig really nicely. I haven't tried it on my natural hair yet, but for the wig it did really good. So I'm extremely happy with the glue and the edge control, and I absolutely love the wig. I'm super thankful for Glam Exten for sending me this wig. And if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, if you put in Taleah15 at checkout, girl, you will get a discount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like the hair or if you're interested in purchasing. And again, don't forget, if you are going to purchase this unit or anything from the site, put in Taleah15 at checkout and you'll get yourself a nice discount off of your total purchase. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.